So looking here at the 20 to warning for Kane County.
Go to that degree signature, which you mentioned a second ago, Ray. Let's check it out, see if there's anything being picked up into the sky by this storm. Maybe here, let's do a little investigation here. Let me go back a couple of frames. And what we're looking for is a consistent little pixelation of brighter colors. That way, there's a little bit, those last couple frames you saw right here, those last frames, that could be the debris being picked up by that tornado. It might be a little bit east of where the actual rotation is, but nonetheless, that's kind of what we're looking at right now with that particular storm. So let's go back in with velocity here, and this is where the span of the storm. So this gives us an idea of the
So
rotation.
look at that. So it's gonna be on everything in Kane County. Additional 20 to warning in effect. It's gonna be on side of Burrow.
This is a very serious situation. We need to be resurfacing at this time. Confirmed tornado on the ground here with this rotation that we're seeing on the radar. So this is as serious as it gets. Obviously, one time this can experience, so